सेकेंड पॉइंट, एट द पॉइंट ऑफ सबडक्शन क्या हो जाएगा? एट द पॉइंट ऑफ सबडक्शन स्लैब पुल हैज गॉट 45 डिग्री एंगल ऑफ इंक्लिनेशन. So after 45 degree of inclination of slab pull, provide extra which force? Gravitational force. Extra gravitational force to increase speed of slab pull. After 45 degree of inclination of slab pull, it provides an extra gravitational force. It provides extra gravitational force to increase the speed of slab pull. To increase the speed of slab pull. Understood it? So we have seen these three forces. Which are the three forces I said that? Convectional current of magma, ridge push, and which one I said that? Slab pull. Shall I remove? जनरली लोग प्लेट टेक्टोनिक इतने हल्के में लेते हैं कि जियोमॉर्फोलॉजी हमेशा ही हार्ड बना हुआ रहता है. I said that these three forces, and generally you know that world has some major plates and some minor plates. Is it okay? Some major plates and minor plates. And then which are the major plates? 7 major plates are North American, South American, Eurasian, Europe and Asia, African, and then Indo-Australian plate. Understood? Which are North American, South American, Eurasian, African, and then I said that Indo-Australian plate, and thereafter it is what? Antarctica plate. Understood? These 6 plates are having the same kind of character, having both the character, which are, I said, they are continental as well as oceanic in nature. जब आप देखें कि when the ocean is forming, divergent boundary में ocean form equal amount, so it is a North American plate is continental as well as oceanic in character. South American plate is continental as well as oceanic in character. And then Eurasian plate is continental as well as oceanic in character. Eurasian plate is continental as well as what? Oceanic in character. And thereafter I said that Indo-Australian plate is, I said that continental as well as oceanic in character. And then Antarctica plate, it is continental as well as oceanic in character. So these 6 major plates having the similar character, continental as well as oceanic. But one major plate is Pacific plate is only, I said that, yes, tell me, oceanic in character. Understood it? So I said that we have some major plates and we have some minor plates and we have some, I said that, micro plates. Understood? Major plates, you know that North American plate, South American plate, then I said that Eurasian plate, then I said African plate, Then I said Indo-Australian plate, and I said Antarctica plate. And minor plates are, at present it is more than, I said that it is in the form of more than 40 minor plates. But we have to consider the important minor plates. We have to consider which are, I said that, important minor plates. And these minor plates, we will see important minor plates. एंड मैं आपको ये 3 माइनर प्लेट्स पहले मैं आपको याद कराने जा रहा हूँ. एंड दिस इज द फोर्थ स्कोसिया, SCOTIA, क्योंकि आपको याद भी रहना चाहिए. दिस इज जुआन डी फूका, दिस इज एन कोकोस प्लेट, एंड दिस इज एन नाजका, एंड दिस इज एन स्कोसिया. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ फिनिक्स? मीनिंग ऑफ फिनिक्स, फिनिक्स मीन्स राइजिंग फ्रॉम द एश. वन बर्ड इज देयर राइजिंग फ्रॉम द, आपको भी फ्रॉम द एश, राइजिंग फ्रॉम द एश. यहां पर भी वही स्टोरी जिससे आप याद कर सकते हैं. जान फूक दिया कोकोस चॉकलेट नाजुक गर्ल्स में. यदि गर्ल्स मरने की अवस्था में हो एंड उनको कोकोस चॉकलेट दे दो, सी विल गेट अलाइव. नो नीड टू गिव एनी काइंड ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट, जस्ट मेक जोकिंग. सो जान फूक दिया कोकोस चॉकलेट किसमें? जुआन डी फूक का Cocos and Nazca. Another minor plate is Scotia. Another I said that there is an, I said, yes, Caribbean, and one that we say Arabian. Caribbean, Arabian, Philippines, and यहाँ पर एक Solomon groups, which I said that Solomon Island, मतलब उतना importance नहीं है as far as the question is going to be asked. And then coral, but it is better to remember Philippines up to the 7 minor plates, which is important for your, what is the question which will be asked. So which are the minor plates we have seen? Juan de Fuca, Cocos, Nazca, Scotia. Then we have seen Caribbean, Arabian, and Philippines. These are the, but a part of it in the last few years after the coming of plate tectonic 3, we have several minor plates. We have several. So the major one, I said that Juan de Fuca. Then I said that Cocos. Then I said Nazca. Then I said Scotia, Caribbean, Arabian, Philippines. There are several microplates are also, and this is large number of microplates are in Mediterranean Sea. If you see in the Mediterranean Sea what is happening, if you see, like I said that this line, ये line show करता है ऐसे ऐसे जो है zigzag, it is showing the divergent boundary, and there is an also divergence. इसका मतलब है कि African plate is moving in the east as well as north and northeastward. Understood it? So the African plate movement is in north as well as northeastward, and when it is moving here, so it is an colliding with which one? Converging with which one? Eurasian plate. और यहाँ पर several microplates are there. I said that what is there? If I am talking about, आपने देखा what we have seen that this South American plate को आपने देखा diverge towards what I said that west, African towards north and northeast, North American plate west, Eurasian plate east. When it started diverging along like this, South American दिख रहा है आपको? This is in a Pacific plate. This side Nazca is moving and this side is which one? Pacific. So यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? Two divergence lead to one. Two divergence lead to one convergence. Two divergence lead to one convergence. Is it okay? So we have been able to see there is a convergence is happening somewhere, and somewhere I said that divergence. Understood? On the, like I said that Eurasian plate is moving where? This side. Now tell me, Nazca plate, iska matlab Eurasian plate is also moving this side, it means it is moving like this, eastward. What is the plate, what is the direction of movement of Eurasian plate? Eastward. And Pacific plate, यदि देखोगे this is the Cocos, this is Nazca Joantifica. The Pacific plate is moving westward, and it is also diverging like this, so it is also moving north westward. Understood? So what is the direction of movement of Pacific plate? Westward and northwestward. Understood it? Now, if we'll see like this, यहाँ पर this one, which is coming like this from the Indian plate. If I am talking about Indo-Australian plate, if the plate is like this, so here it is an Indian plate and here it is an Australian plate. So Indo-Australian plate is moving, this is in a kind of westward, but major it is like this, north. So north and north eastward. Sorry, this is in a north and this is in a northeastward. So the plate movement of Indo-Australian plate is which direction? North and northeastward. Understood? And the first one I am coming, North American, where it is moving? Westward. South American plate is moving westward. Eurasian plate is moving eastward. Eurasian plate is moving eastward. And then African plate is moving north and northeastward. Indo-Australian plate is moving north and northeastward. Understood? And thereafter we have seen Pacific plate. Where is the Pacific plate? It is moving north, west and northwestward. More of west and northwestward. Understood? These are the direction of the different plates that if we have been able to see. And thoda sa, if we see like Antarctica plate is moving little southward as per the present situation. Understood it? Now, if I am talking about Mediterranean, then what is in the Mediterranean is what is happening? यहाँ पर क्या दिख रहा है? Plate margin. What is the meaning of margin? Where the two plates are coming in contact. Margin means, what is the meaning of margin? When the two plates are coming in contact. That is the meaning of what? Margin. But there is one word is there, plate margin zone. Marginal zone. Plate marginal zone. It means when the two plates are coming in contact, not in the form of major plates, but they are coming along with the several micro plates. That becomes a complex zone. That becomes a what? So therefore this zone become one, I said that when there is an African plate and Eurasian plate is coming, these are the two major plates, but they are what is also converging along with the several micro plates. और अभी आपने last year in 2004 one micro plate has been discovered, just in 2004 when the tsunami occurred. तो यहाँ पर micro Burma plate has been discovered, which is a 200 kilometer long and then some 50 kilometers, something like this. It is what? Wider. So micro plates are the such several micro plates are also in the what? In which I said that Mediterranean Sea. Understood? So what is the meaning of plate margin? And the plate margin simply contact zone of two major plates and plate marginal zone. इसका मतलब in wide area contact zone of two major plates with micro plates. ध्यान रखेंगे marginal zone. Marginal zone is always signifying there is a complex contact zone. It is in a complex. Whenever you read something marginal zone, when you are writing something, when you are writing the formation of Alps, that time, when you are writing something, why do the volcanic eruption is what is so much complex in the Maitian zone, then we have to say like it is in a which margin? Plate marginal zone. Understood? So we understood something major, minor and some micro plates.